Draganfly is pleased to announce our partnership with PromoDrone to develop public safety UAV technology for emergency management. Draganfly's two newest products, the versatile, weather-resistant Commander 3XL and heavy-lift multi-rotor drones, will serve as the primary airframes for PromoDrone's public safety UAV. The digital enclosures for PromoDrone will also be developed, manufactured, and customized with specialized hardware and software systems by Draganfly's engineers. These aerial systems are built with custom payloads and sensors, capable of providing live video feeds, communication, and data collection at public events to minimize risk associated with large gatherings. Draganfly has a long and proud history of supporting emergency operations globally. For more than 2 decades, the company has developed innovative drone solutions, software, and AI systems that continue to improve public safety. Drone technology is offering a new frontier in risk management, and we look forward to working with PromoDrone and sharing our innovative solutions to help reduce response times, increase situational awareness, and improve overall public safety during large events.